I'm sure almost everyone has taken paracetamol at some point in their life, maybe for a headache, fever, or body pain. It feels safe, right? But how safe is it really, especially during pregnancy? Recently, President Donald Trump made headlines by advising pregnant women to avoid taking Tylenol. This is non-paracetamol outside the US because he claimed it could cause autism. He said, "Don't take Tylenol." This statement caused a lot of debate and criticism from doctors. But what does science actually says? Let's look at the facts. Welcome to Swasa Care. I'm Dr. Garima Sharma. Today we will talk about everything you should know about paracetamol, its benefits, risks, and how to use it safely. Paracetamol, also called acetaminophen, is one of the most commonly used medicines in the world to reduce fever and pain. It mainly works in the brain by blocking chemicals called prostaglandins. Prostaglandins are natural chemicals in your body that helps with healing, but they also cause pain, swelling, and fever. Unlike medicines like ibuprofen or aspirin, paracetamol is not an anti-inflammatory drug. That's why it's good for headaches, muscle pains, fever, and mild arthritis, but not very effective for inflammation or swelling. Now let's learn about how does it work. Here's the science in simple terms. When your body feels pain, it releases chemicals called prostaglandins. Paracetamol blocks these chemicals in the brain, which help reduce pain and bring down fever. That's why you start feeling better quickly after taking it. What are the safe doses? For adults, the usually dose is 500 to 1000 milligram in every 4 to 6 hours, but never exceed more than 4 grams in 24 hours. And for children, the dose depends on weight, usually 10 to 15 milligram per kg in every 6 hours. Always follow the instruction on the pack or ask a doctor if you are not sure. Even though paracetamol seems safe, taking too much can seriously harm your liver. Now, the most asked question is paracetamol during pregnancy is safe? Let's figure it out. For pregnant women, paracetamol is generally considered the safest painkiller, especially compared to ibuprofen or aspirin. Short term or occasional use for fever or mild pain is usually safe. A 2020 study in JAMA Pediatrics also found a possible link between high use of paracetamol during pregnancy and behavioral issues in kids. It's important to remember these studies shows a possible connection, not proof. The paracetamol cause harm. So occasional use under the doctor prescription is still considered safe. If not treated on time, it can lead to serious liver damage or even death. Also, mixing paracetamol with alcohol or other medicines that also contain paracetamol increase the danger. What does the WHO says? The World Health Organization recommend paracetamol as the first choice medicine for pain and fever, even during the pregnancy and for the children's. The final takeaways: how to use it. Use the right dose. Don't mix it with alcohol or other paracetamol medicines. Ask always a doctor before using it during pregnancy or for long periods. Even the safest medicine can be dangerous if misused. So, next time you take that small white pill, remember it is powerful, helpful, and safe only when you used with responsibility. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe Swasa Care for more health tips.